Hello everyone. Here we are going to start we are going to continue chapter number 3 and we are going to solve it by substitution method. I already told you. Good morning everyone. Here we are going to start the substitution method. Why we are going to solve this? I already told you in algebraical solution, we are having three methods. First one is substitution method. Second one is we are having elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. So we will learn by one method. That first one is substitution method. In substitution method, where I have written here step 1. Find the value of one variable, say y, in terms of x from any one equation. As two equations will be given, so what we will do, we will solve the equation, any one equation in which you are feeling comfortable, and calculate the value of any one variable. Let it be y. If I have calculated the value of y, definitely it will be in terms of x. Then put that value in the second equation. Now second equation will be reduced in the one variable and it will be equation one variable and linear also. So we will solve that equation and we will find the value of x. Now the value of x we will put in the any one equation and we can calculate for y. We can calculate for y and we can calculate the value of y. So these four steps I will explain by solving these questions also. So let me take first question, that is x plus y. So how we will solve the question? The first one is x plus y is equals to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. First name equation number 1, equation number 2. They have given in the question. Now find out the value of any one variable in which you are feeling comfortable. I think we can find the value of x from here. X is equal to 4 plus y. Minus y will be plus y. This is equation number 3. Now we are not going to put in equation number 2 because we have calculated it from 2. Put this equation in. Put the value in equation number 1. So in equation number 1 we are having x. In place of x what we will write? 4 plus y. Plus y is equal to 14. Y plus y, 2y. 14 will be 14 and it will be minus 4. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 5. Put in any equation, 1, 2 or 3. You can put in any equation. 3 is more easy now. So put in equation number 3. So x is equals to 4 plus 5. 4 plus y is 5. Then x is equals to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 and y is equals to 5. This is our answer. So students, what we have done here, we just have calculated the value of variable x from equation number 2 and after that we have substituted the value in equation number 1. After that we have calculated the values of x and y. This word we are writing here put in 3. This it means substitute in 3. Substituting, we are putting in 3, it means we are substituting in 3. So this is all about the substitution method. It will be more clear when I will solve part number 2 also. So part number 2 is, they have given the question in some different variables. S minus t is equal to 3. And the second equation is s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. This equation is okay. Name it as equation number 1. In this equation, fractional numbers are there. I already told you no need to solve in the fraction. Just take the LCM. 6, 2 into s is 2s. Plus 3 into t is 3t. Is equal to 6. 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 6 36. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 is more easy. I will calculate the value of s. 3 plus t. This is equation number 3. Put this value, put in equation number 2. I just have calculated the value of s. Now what I am going to do, I am going to put this equation, this value here. So 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. 2s. Instead of s, I will write 3 plus t. 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. 2 into this is 6 plus 2t. I just have opened the bracket here. Plus 3t is equal to 36. Now 2 plus 3 is 5t. 36. This 6 will be minus here. 5t is equal to 30. Therefore t is equal to 30 upon 5, that is 6. So what is the value of t? It is 6. Now put this value in equation number 1, 2 or 3, your wish. But 3 is more comfortable here, already calculated for s. So put in 3. Put this value in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is s is equal to 3 plus t. S is equals to 3 plus what is the value of t? 6. So s is equal to 9. Therefore s is equals to 9 and t is equal to 6 is the solution of these linear equation. It means this linear pair of linear equation having unique solution. For unique, we will be able to solve only for unique solution. Fine. So this is part number 2. Now I will solve part number 3. Part number 3 is 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So I will solve this question. Equation number 1, equation number 2. What is the value of y? 3x. This 3 will be minus. Y minus sign. Now shift this side. It will be plus. This is equation number 3. Put this value in 2. Put this value in equation number 2. Now equation number 2 will be 9x minus 3. What is the value of y? 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. 9x minus 3 3s are 9x minus minus plus 9 is equal to 9. 9x plus 9x cancel. We are getting 9 is equal to 9. Now how will we solve this? Actually students, when we have started this question, we should solve for a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. See, a1 upon a2, 3 upon 9. 3 upon 9 is 1 upon 3. b1 upon b2 minus 1 upon minus 3. It is 1 upon 3. c1 upon c2. 3 minus 3 upon minus 9. When we will shift this side, they both will be minus. 1 upon 3. It is also 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is also equal to c1 upon c2. So here we are having infinitely many solutions. So whenever you are having infinitely many solutions, you always get these types of answer. 9 is equal to 9, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3. So at the end what you will write, here we are having infinitely many solutions and we will not solve after this. Fine students. So part number 4 of the same question we have to solve by the substitution method. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. I have not written equation number 1 and equation number 2 because I am feeling that these are the difficult to solve in regarding calculation. So what I will do, I will write here 10. 10. I can remove the decimal. 10 and here also 10, here also 10. And these all 10 can be cancelled. So the final equation will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. So calculate the value from here, or you can calculate the value from here also. So I just have calculated the value. 4x is equal to 23 minus 5y. X is equal to 23 minus 5y upon 4. Put in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now when you will put it the value of this, 2 into 23 minus 5y upon 4 plus 3y is equal to 13. Cancel. So what we are getting here, 23 minus 5y upon 2 plus 3y is equals to 13. Take the LCM. LCM will be 13. 23 minus 5y. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 13. Now do the cross multiplication. 23 minus 5y plus 6y is plus y is equal to 26. Y is equal to 26 minus 23, and the answer is 3. So what is the value of y? It is 3. Put in equation number 1 or 2, or you can also put in this equation. This is equation number 3. It is more easy, so I will put here. Put in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is x is equal to 23 minus 5y upon 4. So x is equal to 23 minus 5 into y is 3 upon 4. So x is equal to 23 minus 5 is 15 upon 4. X is equal to, so here we have to calculate the quotient for x. So 23, 5 3s are 15, so 23 minus 15 is 8. 8 upon 4 is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equals to 3. So this is the final answer. So this is all about the substitution method. When you will solve more question, then the topic will be more clear to you. You have to calculate value of any one variable and just substitute in the second equation. Now the second equation will be in one variable, and as it is linear, it can be solved very easily. So after getting the value of that variable, you just put the answer in any one equation. Then we can calculate the value of the second variable also, and at the end write down both the values together. So this is all about substitution method. I hope these questions are clear to you. Fine students, so try more questions to solve these types of problems. Thank you class.